Good morning, kids. How are you all? So, today is Saturday. And what is Saturday for? We do all new experiments and activities on Saturday. So, kids, today is Superb Saturday. So, I am here with a new experiment. Yes. So, kids, do you want to know what the experiment is all about? Are you really excited? Come on, kids, I will tell you. So, today we are going to do an experiment on soluble and insoluble substance. So, are you ready, kids? Come on, let us see. So, kids, to do this experiment, we need a bowl of salt, a bowl of sugar, a syrup, any syrup you can try. I am using here Mapro syrup. You can take any syrup if you want. Few pebbles, you can use stone, pebbles, sand, and mix pulses. We need 5 things and we need 5 empty glasses. And now, so kids, now we will add water in this all 5 glasses. Okay? You have to fill it, okay? It should be till up. In this first glass, we will add salt. So, I am adding salt now. Yes. So, now let us stir it. Stir. And we will stir it for 2 more minutes. Be careful, don't spill the water. So now leave this mixture, and kids, what can you see? What can you see now? Can you see something? Can you see salt? No, see, salt is getting mixed with the water. It means salt is soluble. Soluble means जो पानी के साथ मिक्स हो जाता है उसे soluble कहते हैं. So now can you see any salt? नो, सॉल्ट मिक्स हो गया है और धीरे धीरे पूरा सॉल्ट मिक्स हो जाएगा. यू कैन स्टियर इट मोर एंड सॉल्ट विल गेट मिक्स्ड विद वाटर. सो सॉल्ट इज soluble. So now in the second glass we will put sugar. Yes. So now let's stir it. And what can we see? धीरे धीरे. Yes, so stir it more. 2 more minutes. Very good. Yes, so kids, अब धीरे धीरे what I can see is even sugar is getting mixed with water. Yes, so it means sugar is also soluble. Let us stir a little bit for more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, so kids, as you can see, sugar particles are turning small and minute. See, कितनी छोटी हो गई sugar? It means it is getting mixed with the water. We can stir it little bit for more. 2 times. 1 and 2. As we can see, धीरे धीरे sugar भी mix हो रही है water के साथ. So it means it is a soluble. So kids, in this third glass, I am adding pulses. And now let us stir the pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So kids, can you see pulses? आपको दिख रहे हैं pulses? Can you see pulses? ये तो mix नहीं हो रहे. Pulses हो रहे mix. चलो, I'll stir it 5 more minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I stirred it 5 times. But ये तो नहीं हो रहा है mix. So kids, जो particle mix नहीं होते हैं उन्हें कहते हैं insoluble. As you can see, देखो शुगर कितनी स्मॉल हो गई है. It is getting mixed with water. And even you can see salt. धीरे धीरे पूरा पानी change हो रहा है. So ये भी mix हो गया water के साथ. So sugar and salt are soluble. पानी के साथ mix हो गए. But pulses नहीं हुए. It means it is insoluble. Insoluble means जो mix नहीं हो सकते हैं water के साथ. So kids, now I am having few pebbles. Now let us put few pebbles and see. Uh-oh. Okay, now should I stir it? Come on, let us stir. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. मैंने 5 times stir किया ये pebbles को. But कोई छोटा हुआ? No. कोई melt हुआ? No. So it means pebbles are insoluble. Pulses and pebbles both are insoluble. And now last I am adding this syrup. I have butterscotch syrup, and now kids, let us add. So kids, in this last I am adding this butterscotch syrup and let us mix with water. Okay kids, now you can use any syrup during experiment if you want. Okay kids, and now let us stir. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So kids, जो syrup था ठीक कहाँ गया? Mix हो गया with the water. It means ये शरबत बन गया. So क्या हो गया? Mix हो गया मतलब soluble. So the syrup is soluble. Now let us see one more time everything. So kids, first was salt. और देखो salt भी mix हो गया water के साथ. So salt is soluble. Second, sugar. See, you can see the only small little some particles. So sugar is also soluble. And next is pulses. Pulses mix हुए, उनकी size small हुई, उन लोग melt हुए. No, so it means it is insoluble. Mix नहीं हुआ. Next are pebbles. So kids, pebbles mix हुए, उन लोग small हुए. No. Do they melt? No. It means pebbles are also insoluble. Instead of pebbles, you can add stones or some beads or blocks, whatever you have. The last is syrup. So even syrup got mixed. It means even syrup is soluble. So kids, now you will do this experiment at your home and you will share your videos and photos with us. Okay kids, bye bye.